Hey guys! Sometimes when I get stuck on what colors to use in an acrylic pour, I start looking to nature for inspiration. There's just so much color all around us. Today I'm using an image of the Veil Nebula taken from the Hubble Space Telescope. The NASA website has some of the most amazing images. As someone who's always been deeply awed by space, I instantly fell in love with this picture. I'll leave a link to the image on their site in the description below. Definitely take time to scroll through the other images. They are truly breathtaking. Anyways, so after choosing this image, I started looking through all the paints that I had mixed up. I have quite the collection going on right now, so I really needed to use colors I already had instead of mixing new ones. I chose a variety of warm and cool tones that I thought would work together. The thing that caught my eye the most about the nebula was the way the blue light seemed to go over every color. The blue was what I wanted to look for in my cell activator. I decided I would test out using blue interference for the cell activator color. Since some of the jets coming off the main area had a red tint to them, I figured why not add some red interference activator as well. I had these previously poured wooden canvases. They had extremely deep cracks, which in hindsight I should have sanded or at least added a layer of gesso to, but you win some, you lose some. I really love how all these colors played together. I think that the interference colors did a really good job of emulating the way the light of the nebula shines. I would like to test this out again on a fresh canvas. With a new canvas and a layer of resin after it's cured, this combination will really shine. While these ended up being less than perfect pours, I really enjoyed experimenting with the interference as cell activator. The nature of interference paints allow it to change throughout the entire painting, producing several colors along the way. This method will definitely be going in my arsenal for galaxy pours. I covered quite a bit of information on interference and mica, so if you're interested, I'll link that playlist below as well. Okay guys, that's enough from me today. The next time you get stuck trying to decide what colors you should use in your fluid art, look to nature. There are so many beautiful and vibrant colors around us each and every day. From nebulas light years away to the little iridescent insects buzzing around down here. There are millions of inspiration all around you. If you struggle with picking colors directly from a photo, there are websites online with color pickers. You can upload an image and hover over a certain color. It'll give you the hex code for that color, which will make it easier to see what you're working with to translate that into paint colors. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.